get your bike. So people ask me, what kind of lock do I have? What kind do I use for my bikes? And I always use these chain link ones. So basically, this lock, it's hard to cut because it moves around. So you either got to have somebody put their hands in harm's way and hold it, or you got to try and cut it while it's there. So I recommend cloth covered chain locks. I think that's your best bet because this sucks one way or the other. Record the whole thing, that way we can time it.
Yeah. Still not through it.
Yeah, it is.
That's a big run of it. I'm going to tell a bolt cutter to even harder. They got nothing cheaper? $6. There you go.